Hello, medical writers, health writers, scientific writers. You are listening to the second video of the video series, Marketing Mastery for Medical Writers. I have recently conducted a survey about what is it about marketing you medical writers want to learn the most. Surprisingly, the number one topic was why medical writers fail to grow on LinkedIn. So that's what we are going to talk about. In this video, I will share why medical writers particularly fail to grow on LinkedIn or any other marketing platform, and it's tailored to us. It's not some general advice that works for any professional. Let's get into it. Mistake I have seen medical writers do, including my colleagues and students and myself, is that focusing on the wrong point. A lot of advice about LinkedIn, around LinkedIn, are very generalized and not tailored to niches like ours. So all those post 3 times a day or 3 times a week, post video content, have a very catchy hook, whatever advice you have been hearing from LinkedIn gurus. I feel like that's not the way for us medical writers to follow. Our profession has certain gravitas, responsibility, and I think that's how we should pursue. So if popular advice don't work, what works? I'm sure after spending certain time on LinkedIn, you have had gut feelings that this will work, this will not, and you just need to listen to it more. If you are a writer who writes CME content and you want to use your marketing platform to attract prospects, you need to be clear on who your prospects are. So you are probably thinking of medical education agencies or agencies that are focused on CME. When you are clear about that, you know you have to attract the medical advisors, the recruiters, probably head of business operations, because they're the one who will take the decisions for hiring. And that will already tell you to attract these particular people, what kind of language you need to write, what kind of topic they would be interested in. Get into the shoes of a LinkedIn profile visitor and feel like what you want to see in others' profile or what you like about other profiles, and implement that or transfer that into your profile. We are living in a different time now, even different from 5 years ago, because we have a lot more tools to assist us now. We have been through a pandemic that changed our style of hiring. So advice like you need a logo to be a freelance medical writer, you need a tagline, that might be useful, but these I don't think are the priority tasks for a transitioning writer. What I want to say that no one can create your roadmap better than you. So keep faith on yourself and do the work. If you need any personalized advice for your marketing or LinkedIn, I will have my calendar link to book consultancy.